Hi, and welcome to the Silk Painting Trilogy Kit number 2. In this kit, we'll be focusing on the technique of using gutta to create designs. It's designed for beginners, so don't worry if you have no experiences before. Simply follow the instructions to use the tools and complete the exercises provided in the kit. And once you've done that, you will be ready to create any designs on silk. Because the same technique can also be applied in the larger silk paintings like this. Or other silk scarves. So now let's begin by introducing the items in the kit. And then I will guide you to watch the videos. That will help you get started with your practice. Okay, this is exciting. Now let's have a look what's in this box. And then we open it and you will see a gutta resist tube. Water-based gutta tube. It's in a golden color, gold color. This is gold. And we have a small bag of tools. And here this is a letter from me to you. Is just to introduce you what this how this kit will serve you and for your silk painting journey. And here we have mastering gutta lines. This is an offline instruction, so it will tell you how to use it. It's made for the people who doesn't have internet, and also you'll find the website. Or if you're watching this video, you probably already find the website and the link to the tutorials. Here is the link. Okay, and then in here we have a handmade in Scotland. What's this? This I put it aside and we'll come back to it. And here is the designs and the pre-made designs. And I also give you one free card, a display card, and I will show you how to use this card to finish your designs. Okay, so if you're familiar with my first kit, you know we're gonna empty everything out from the box, because this box is going to be the canvas. Okay, it's gonna be our working space. Okay, so I just gonna use the bag. So you empty everything out, you use the bag. And now let's see how we're gonna use everything. And put those instructions away if you're watching the video. Now, and here are all the designs. And so the page 1 have 2, page 2, 3, 4. So what I want to tell you is in here, you see this page with a video logo, which means these designs come with recorded videos. You will find it on YouTube, on my channel. So these two got video, and these two got videos. So if you find, just looking for the designs for the tools, if you never painted on silk before, those video will be very helpful. And the other designs for you to choose, it's to challenge you once you've watched a couple of the videos, and then you can follow that to, for example, this one. And for the video I record, it's gonna be end up like this design. But for this kit, the color is not included, so you will finish with the outline. And then other designs also in there. But then if you want to challenge yourself, once you watched a couple of that, you don't want to follow all the YouTube video designs, and you can just choose any design from here. It's like I think if you could do 1 or 2 from this for your first time, you know, I have prepared you 5 silk in this. Okay, let's open this bag. And I have prepared you 5 silk sheets in here. Okay, So the sheet at the back with the label, this is the back, this is a paper back, and make sure that this side is the silk side. Okay, so when we use Gouda, we're going to use on the silk side. And now I see, okay, let's say this is your first practice, and then I choose this design, and then you can cut it from the middle. Put that away and cut it from the middle. And now you can lay this on top of the back of your box. And then we open this little tool bag and see what we got in there. So in this bag, you'll find 4 silk pins. So use it for the 4 corners of your silk. And this is the nib to put on top of your Gouda bottle. So just open it and then press this down here. So here's what I want to let you know. You won't be able to press it down all to, here. It's gonna have a gap. It's not completely, you can't completely press it down to there. But once like this, you can test to squeeze it and see if it's, if the good, you will see the Gouda come through here. And then this is tight enough. Okay, not loose like this, is tight enough, and you can squeeze your Gouda out to come out from there, and then this is ready. Okay, just make sure it's tight enough, not very loose. And I'm not gonna use this, put it on the side for now. And then I will take one of the silk. I know this is the back and I don't need it now. I just take that label away. And I will lay this on top of my box. And see, like you lay it on top, let it cover right in the middle of your design. You see? Okay, so you can see through the silk. Now you put this, put the pin down to your box. Just secure 4 corners. I need to close this box. Okay, secure 4 corners. So if your design doesn't come with the pin, it will come with stickers like this. It's low tack stickers. And what you do, you just tape the top corner there and there, just like a little bit of the corner. You tape it. This step will ensure that when you paint, when you drawing it, and then it will not move, and later on you can put it away to dry. And once you finish, you just need to peel it up. So this is how you use the tools in the box. And before I guide you to watch the tutorial for each design, I like to stress that out. If you're not using your Gouda, you can, if for the short term, what you can do to keep it, it's use a little bit of tape. Just tape the top, but in this way, it will not, the Gouda resist will not block the nib. But it's not gonna last for very long. If you do it overnight, in the morning, you're probably also gonna find that's blocked. And then if it's blocked, you just need to change a new one. You can't just avoid this. really need to avoid to, if it's blocked, avoid to squeeze it too hard, and then because a lot of gouda will just come off and then will ruin your design. And if this is blocked, just take it off and then change a new one. You can't really wash it. And again, if you determined, you can, but it's very difficult, not worth your time. And it doesn't work every time because I tried it. So if it's blocked, and then just throw the old one away, put the new one. Or because nib is very, very fine, so it's so easy to get blocked. And just bear that in mind, okay? I have prepared 10 nibs in there. You should have enough to finish 5 of your designs. And so what you need to do is block enough time for you to finish one design with one nib, and then if you don't, and then you can leave it as it is and do it another day. But if you only do a half of it, and when you come back to it later or another day, and this nib will be blocked. So that's what I want to say. Okay, about the card, this is a card I added into this kit. This silk sheet is particularly designed to fit this display card, okay? And this kit is not included 5 of the card. It's only 1 card, just to show you the sample. If you want to order more, that is the size. The reason I choose this size is because this is a standard supermarket frame. Once you finished your work, you can frame it in here. You can take the glasses out and then it will show the silk fabric. Or you can give it as a gift like this. See? So you can just easily frame it. That's why I choose this size. This is a standard supermarket picture frame, photo frame. Or you can use it as a gift card, as a birthday card. Let's get this out. So you can use it as a birthday card or any card, Christmas card, and just need to tape that. Or you can also use it as a candle. Like I have some students, they're using it as a candle lighter. You can put a candle in there because it sees through, so the light will shine through this design. So this is the kit of trilogy kit number 2 out of 3. And now you're ready to move on to watch one of the videos. And by now you should be familiar with how to use the tools in the kit. You can now click the link below the video to watch the step-by-step process of each design. There are 12 designs in the kit, and 6 of them will have full tutorial recorded. And simply choose the designs you prefer. You can start to work on your favorite ones. Once you've finished your gouda design, make sure it's completely dry before you're adding colors. If you don't have any silk dye yet, you might consider to get the 3rd kit. It's including 18 small bottles of the professional silk dye, and also will teach you how to make your first silk color board with magnet, which will help you create your own unique masterpiece. And in the end of this video, I'd like to wish you all the best for your silk painting journey, and welcome to this beautiful journey. And if you have any questions and you want to get in touch with me, you can always email me or message me on Facebook. And don't forget to join our Facebook page. Follow the Facebook page and join our group, because in the Facebook group or the page you will find a free resource for downloading, including this ebook I've written for Easy and Fun Beginner Silk Painting Handbook. So sending you love from Scotland. See you until the next course. Bye for now.